Hi, my name is Mahmoud Abdigani Mahmoud. I'm studying veterinary medicine at University of Hargeisa in Somaliland. I was sponsored Erasmus program in Romania at University of Science, Veterinary and Agricultural Medicine in Romania.
I was a social work student at the University of Hargeisa. I have been accepted by Erasmus Mundus Plus for Master in Advanced Development of Social Work. I will be going to University of Lincoln by September, and I'm very happy that I have been accepted by the University of Lincoln and sponsored by the European Commission.
We started Erasmus Plus in 2020, first with University of Granada in Spain, and later on we signed an agreement with another university in Romania called University of Agriculture and Veterinary Sciences. First, we started by posting in our websites and in our social media for students to apply, and we give them a fair chance for both female and male students, and we encourage them to apply. Later on, those who have met the criteria, we have tried them to help them fill forms and prepare for visa application as well as course application.
I discovered Erasmus Plus program when I looking at University of Hargeisa online page.
waxaan u tagnay inaan ka soo faa'iideysano activitieska kala duwan ee jaamacaduhu ay ku kala duwan yihiin experience-ka sidoo kale walibana skills-ka ay wadanka ama Romania aan ilaahay ay ka hormareen si aan uga soo faa'iideysano haday noqoto sections-ka ay ka kooban tahay jaamacadda gaar ahaan qaybta veterinary medicine-ka.
I think Erasmus is one of the scholarships that are easy to apply compared to several other scholarships that's provided by different countries and different governments. It is a complete package. When you apply for Erasmus Plus scholarship, you apply both the universities and the scholarship together at one time. This was what motivated me to apply for Erasmus Plus scholarship, and it was really amazing. And I also encourage to other students to apply because it is an easy process and you will get the response within 3 months of application. markii koowaad waxaanu galnay imtixaan baanu galnay imtixaankii baanu ka qayb qaadanay oo jaacadu soo iclaamisay inaanu ka qayb qaadano kabacdi interview baan galnay kabacdina waxaan noqonnay ardaydii ugu sarreysay anagii group kale. I jumped and it was really amazing. waxaan dareemay farxad aad u badan markaan jaacadu noo soo dirtay acceptance-gii iyo invitation-kii waayo aad baan xiisaynay inaan ka qayb qaato programka muhiimad weyn buu aniga ilaha.
Since our students also learn in English here, they did not have any problem. They were being accepted. But for example, in Spain, most of the universities, especially Granada University, they only accept the students with a sufficient understanding of Spanish, and they require the level of B1 for the students to join the university.
sida Spanish ku yidhaahdaan oo kale waxaan leeyahay gracias Erasmus Plus program.